So this is the new Ninja Combi, they're calling it. It's an oven, it's an air fryer, it's good for stovetop meals, it's even a multi-cooker. Wow, does it look fancy. Inside the box, we're gonna have the Combi itself, a bake tray, a pan, a crisper tray, and even a recipe book. Ninja's really great. They actually sent this over to me, and really always like their packaging. It feels like, you know, they're really excited about you cooking with their stuff, and you're going to be really excited about cooking with their stuff too. So on top, we've got our instruction. On top, we've got our instruction, one of our pans, packaging board. Wow, okay, cool. Let's see if it fits on the counter. Wow, so this is looking really, really nice. This whole interface on front. The buttons feel nice. We've got all of our different modes here to choose from. Really nice. Nice, thick, heavy-duty cord. But let's peel all this tape off and get inside of this. Last year, we tried out the Ninja Speedy air fryer, and that one opens from the top. And the thing I didn't like about that is it just didn't really fit underneath the counter. If this is something that you're gonna wanna keep on your counter, having this door open from the front is just really quite nice. So packed inside of here are a few more of your pans. Now I think we've got all the plastic out of there. Look, box this can. Got a nice big roasting pan. There's a crisper tray that can go on there. Really like that. And then don't forget, we've also got this pan too. We've got a broil pan, other pan, and there you go. So plugging it in, see what happens when we turn it on. We've got a light inside. That's nice. So to go into air fry mode, you're gonna flip over to here, and then you've got all of your air fry settings. Over here, you've got all of your multi-cooker settings. So that's pretty cool. Oh, you can proof in there. Cool, so we're gonna go over to air fry, and I like to test my air fryers with something that maybe you shouldn't test your air fryers with, but if there's one fried food that has a hard time in an air fryer, it's a mozzarella stick. So we're gonna see what happens with the Combi, or is it Combi? They didn't tell me. So I'm just gonna line my tray here with some Amazon Basics, heavy duty full, and that'll just make for an easier cleanup. You've got some air fryer instructions, and preheat to 360. Uh-oh, so the fan actually sucked up this four. Ditch the get on in there. All right, so you can hear. So we've turned it on, and this is what it sounds like without any sort of noise reduction or anything. There's no preheat setting. It just starts a 20-minute timer. It's also not telling me what the temperature is as I go. When is it going to tell me? So that's my question. Now, mind you, I haven't read any of the instructions. We're just going based on, like, is it intuitive? That's usually my measure. Can I figure it out without reading anything? 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so it's been almost 5 minutes, and there's been no indication of whether it's actually preheated or not, so I'm kind of just hoping for the best here. I can hear that the thermostat is clicking on and off. Definitely don't touch that. That's too hot. These need 6 or 7 minutes. Let's let it count down and see. It certainly feels hot. So 6 or 7 minutes, we'll be back here when the clock reads 10 or so, just to check. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes, and we are just starting to get a little bit of cheese burst. So I'm gonna stop this. Let's see. It's a little hot on the outside, so be careful if you're moving it. It's hot. Coming out. Oh, we're gonna need one of these babies. Let's have a look. We've got some crispy mozzarella stick, and they actually are crispy. Okay, Ninja, very crispy, very good. All right, it's a good start.